Wagwan guys, and we're back with the next one. So for today we have a little simple video for you guys to just be doing an unboxing of, I think, mostly like tech and kitchen essentials. We just want to kind of show you, you know, our new upgrades when it comes to probably our editing as well as our cooking video them, cause or in our unfair advantage. I'm gonna look at assistance. I'm not tell no lie, I have no shame. Yeah, we need it. So guys,
I got skills.
Yeah, so guys, these are definitely going to help when it comes to our other videos as well as our personal, you know, needs.
Yes.
Yeah, so we'll show you some things what we got recently. Okay, and more on the way. But you're gonna see them there in the vlog, so stay tuned guys. Put on the subscribe and put on the notification bell.
Yes.
And make sure so the settings, that are the next thing. Turn the settings on in a YouTube, for YouTube by your phone.
Watch the ads.
And watch the ads. It's not even come before this already. It's a second reminder. You guys would have seen, you know.
Yeah, just cut it.
The notification for watch the ads.
Yeah. So as you can see, Shadika now with the time she cut the first package.
Yeah, and then a long talking.
Yeah, so I can see why now. Jesus, take time.
Jesus, this is small. When you buy things online, man, they want. I want they bomb naughty this.
I want that.
Is that tight set?
I don't think
God, it me feel like one little 2-year-old.
I don't think
and you know you look feel cold store.
Wait, what them here for do?
These are pieces of what this.
A straw them liquid?
At the funnel. Guys, for some reason, we could not find a funnel out here. And I was already ordering things online. Somebody just say it was what, $9 or less? Something like that. If you have 5-piece sets. And we just order it and done. And it was stainless steel. The other one them plastic and them broke up very easily. But guys, I mean it good. But this small part, no some opening stuff. It can still work, but this too tiny, man. Never did expect this. It comes nice with some cleaning brush and everything. But Lord, the dangers of buying online. How can I to get this?
Tupenge.
And to put a cushion. Watch it.
Wait, what is that?
It come with a tray, you know, to keep them, you know. Cool. But I mean, it workable, but it just this is small. This is very small. What a dirty behavior. So guys, this may be being returned.
Yes.
This the dangers of shopping online. We might return this box side.
Yeah,
but
it might get
a boot. Do some.
And that one is out of here.
You know.
Goodbye. Next package.
See, like me, I played that also.
Yes, you play tea with your teddy bears. What is in the next podcast?
Alright, let's get to something good, guys. Let's go. It's real fierce, though. Hercules. Oh, what I see.
The first thing that is in the box
guys, you know I'm all about the natural hair. My hair is growing out. So they're one of my YouTubers. I've been seeing this and I've been wanting to try it for the longest time. For some reason, in my regular beauty supply store, I didn't see it. And as I said, we were already ordering online and it was already there.
So what is it?
Yeah, it's a hair growth oil.
Cool.
Yeah, one YouTuber who I love watch, our ear rotted couple long and she helped use this. So I'm gonna say the look at trickery work.
You see if anything rub off on you,
you know? Yes. So this is definitely one.
Alright, so guys, before I take out this item, special announcement. I am going to start a gaming channel soon. So I bought some, you know, some little essentials, you know. This is a 4-port USB. Because the laptop is I'm going to be a PC gamer, so the PC that I'm playing and only have 2 ports, so I'm gonna buy some extra ones, so I'm gonna get 4 more. So this will be good in aiding me to use my mouse and all of them good something there. Alright, you want to take out the next one?
Take out all the things and play a gaming first and then take out the other things.
This don't look like mine, I don't know what it is. Anyways, I don't know which one is this? This is mine or yours?
No, this is ours.
Oh, this is ours. So I take it that this cheap looking one is mine.
Anyways, let me go to this then, guys. So we are definitely YouTubers now. Yes, guys, we finally monetized and everything, and we're definitely trying to load up on content. We had in one of our first unboxing videos, we had
a 1 terabyte.
Yes, and that was shit. It was garbage. Rubishima. Yeah. So we decided we're gonna spend good money this time and buy something good. This was a little pretty penny, but it was split up between the two of us, so you know it worked. It's definitely worth it. This was like what, $50 or something like that, something like that, and tax, because apparently them something tax now offering in Amazon. It carries up a little bit, but honestly this seems like it's going to be a good one. Nothing but good reviews, great reviews, and I'm excited for this. I'm tired of every second we're trying to edit a new video, we have to delete the old raw clips. The struggles is real. So this is definitely a stable or a happy one, or it makes me happy at least. Yes.
Alright, so the other two them in an unmarked box, so I don't know what is this.
So opening is called unboxing for a reason.
Yeah, you think you funny, eh?
I know.
Alright, so okay, so this is my gaming mouse. I never remember it, you know. Yeah, so this is my gaming mouse.
So you know, so somebody have money, you know, them can buy things and don't remember.
See it here, help me to show the people them and saw. See it there? So if you not play Call of Duty, look out for me. Show to me on the box side with my new gaming mouse. Yes, and this looks like my external drive, but I don't know why it's big and look. So, alright, let me see if I can pull it.
Just push off it.
Take off this. Yes, so.
Ooh, I love the packaging. Show the packaging.
So the packaging here.
Oh, it's an unmarked box, but I like this. It's separated and just intentionally in its own slot.
And if you don't worry about buying these things online, and I get them looking something here, 1 year free warranty. And me get a watch your Amazon gift card. A liar, tell me get that.
Thank you.
A liar. Right on Facebook. Out of order, $5.
Finish unboxing.
You can get it if you want it. But anyways, as Shadika, I'll show that this is my external drive that I'll be playing my games on.
That one is 1 terabyte. This is 2 terabytes.
Yes. And it looks as though it comes with warranty.
Yeah, 2 different brands. This says Seagate, and the one for both of us is WD Elements. So we definitely give a little review. I mean, we update it in our vlogs them as we say. Just subscribe so you definitely, you know, won't miss a thing.
And this seems important. Let me finish my read it.
Moving on
to the next packages. Fling them back into the box real quick.
My oil. I feel the growth already. Oh, Rapunzel. Like down your long Goldilocks hair.
Extra. Look for the wig at the wig factor.
Yes, guys.
You don't know how it go. Hustlers round here. See real hustler. Champion. Yeah.
Alright.
On to the next big boy.
On inside. Me know in this one.
What is in it? I don't know what is in it.
Mommy, come through. No, seriously. No, mommy, seriously, come through. Come look.
No, come till the door. And drum roll, please. This is a chopper.
Here, is this right side up?
Yes.
There you go. See the look of it, guys. Definitely. Me and knife. No, not such a good friend.
Look closer. Look, see.
Turn on the side so them can see the different meshes, because I'm not. Right there. Yeah. Turn it right there. Yeah. Is it being seen? Jesus, the light too glaring.
Sorry if you can't see it, guys.
I'll probably just take a picture and insert it then. Make it easier. Definitely. I'm gonna unbox this a little bit further. Definitely, guys. Yo, I love the fancy dancy. God no, anything to make my life easier, I'm for it. It's like them something cheap. It's like $20, guys. Can't treat yourself. You don't have to be bad. Oh hell yeah. Nice and easy.
You're going to say, oh hell no.
No, nice and easy and convenient.
Something else to return.
No.
And they give you cleaning
a toothbrush that look like a little baby airbrush. Yes, nice, you know. So.
You know, forget the little edges. Your edges.
On the eyebrow too, you know.
No man, this look like for your eyelash.
Oh yes, the baby. Yes.
And this of your edges.
That look too rough, though.
You want it rough bad.
But guys, here's a little look at it inside. You know, it's simple.
That's my name, I should use it yet.
You chop it till, you know, and catch it in this side, and you know, in here so is replaceable. You'll switch out the different I guess the different shapes, or what do you call it, the different ways you want it to chop. We need a mince or whatever.
And this looks like a slicer.
You have slicers, and then you have like the coil one will look fancy down to like noodles.
And as Shadika said, to the next one where you change it out to get some finer diced things. The one are the big one, the one are small.
And this is the one when you want to like have the nice little, you know,
spiral something them like spaghetti.
Yes.
But with vegetables.
Yes.
I'm smart.
Yes. And you know everything catches in here as well.
Yeah. Is it glass?
This looks like fiberglass. Yeah, it's fiberglass. I didn't even have measurements for you. I'm not gonna further into this, but it's definitely what I wanted, what I expected. And of course, you have instruction manuals. Emmanuel.
Go
down, Emmanuel. Go, Kalang boy, feel a broke crack stone. Right, this said, I think this is Dove cut a while ago.
Dove, would have kept me that's anyway.
Hey. Yeah, and it pretty much gives you full instructions of whatever. So the different
different types of chops and
the blades and all them stuff. There's an instruction manual pretty much. I'll have to. I'm gonna experiment with tomorrow morning possibly. Tomorrow morning, tomorrow evening. I'm gonna put nothing special 9 morning, 9 night. That's for.
Yeah. Clumsy.
And I think that is it actually.
Nope.
No, we have something else.
Remember we have that?
Oh yes, we have one more thing.
And last on the list is my fruit of the loom. That is all you will know and see. And last on the list, Shadika, you have the scissors? Or you want me to tear it? Once I drop the tablecloth.
You.
Me?
You. Me? Y-O-U-M-E? Yes, please.
And I think this is mine. No.
Jesus Christ, what that?
I'm big sponge. Yeah, you can't have mouse without a mouse pad, so I'm gonna buy a mouse pad.
You make already an go people. You couldn't just one bookshop to go buy this.
No, I could buy
it. Your go.
No. Alright, let me explain this. You buy online. Your thing say you buy a mouse. You need mouse pad. So in the moment, you see mouse pad, you buy a mouse pad and not think you say you can go a bookshop go buy it. You see it, you like it, you buy it.
Support local businesses.
Local businesses buy them online as well. Them support the online business for you. If you never know.
That's a foolishness. I know me.
Yeah, me know what you're talking. Me just want to come back. Alright guys, and remember all of these things like the mouse, the external drive, this thing which I could have buy at a bookstore. All of these things are from my gaming channel, so when the gaming channel drop, just look on our community post and you will see the link and everything for the channel. When I put up the link until we post a video. So yeah, we'll have something for watch and keep on entertained. And listen to my cross device as well. So yeah guys, you have made it to the end of the video. If you have made it this far and you're new to our channel, please subscribe and become a part of our ever-growing YouTube family. You will be welcomed and comfortable here.
So excited. So if you want any links for these things, you can comment it down below. Then we'll actually probably put it in the description if there's a lot of requests for it. But for now guys, that's the end of the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Leave us a thumbs up. It's a very short one. I hope you made it to the end.
Yes.
And see you in the next one.
Yes guys.
Bye.
Bye.
Watch the ads.
Watch the ads.